What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing leftover turkey soup today, y'all. We taking the leftovers from this carcass that we're just gonna carve this meat off right quick. And oh yeah, we gonna have us a nice soup. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. After we get that meat off that carcass, we gonna go ahead and chop it up just a little bit more. Just do a little choppy chop. I mean, you can leave it as is, as it came off. But I like to chop mine up because I'm going to multitask this meat right here, y'all. Hey, I think Tuesday, we going to have us some turkey tacos, y'all. Turkey tacos. But anyway, y'all can look forward to that. But let's get back to this video. After we get that turkey chopped up, we going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot. Then we're going to add in our onions so we can get them sweating. And then we're going to add in our celery. And of course, we're going to have to go ahead and give that a mixy mix. So of course, you know I gotta rain on it. Gotta hit them with that salt. And of course, gotta get that pepper on too, y'all. And you know we gotta mix it mix. Gotta mix that up. Get that salt. Coat it all over the onions and then celery. That's the only way you're gonna make them sweat good. Sweaty sweat. So once we got them sweated down real good and the onions are kind of translucent, we're gonna go ahead and add in a can of carrots, y'all. Give that a quick mix. Now it's time for that chicken broth, y'all. Oh yeah, some chicken broth. Add in that flavor, that good flavor. Mix that around and bring it up to a boil. And once it's boiling, it's time to go ahead and add in our turkey, y'all. Just that simple, y'all. Just that simple. Quick, easy. This is what I call lunch made simple, y'all. Made simple. We're gonna give that a quick mix. Now once it comes back up to a boil, we're gonna add in 1 cup of quinoa. And we're gonna give that a mix. And we're gonna let this simmer until that quinoa finish cooking, which is going to take anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. And as soon as it's done, this is what we got, y'all. Oh my goodness. A nice, delicious bowl of turkey soup, y'all. Turkey soup. So let's get on in here and get us a taste of this. Look at that bite, y'all. Look at that bite. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.